Hello, 𝗵𝗹𝗀 Palsy here. It's Wednesday. Today I would like to talk to you about one particular muscle that I think you will get a lot of bangs for your buck in regards to improving the mobility and the flexibility of your face when you have facial paralysis. I go into a lot more detail in the tutorial on this muscle and what to do, but I just want to show you a couple things here. So the muscle we're talking about is called the Buccinator, and it is located right here. It's a muscle that assists in chewing and moving your jaw. And basically, if it becomes tight, what is going to prevent you from doing is opening your mouth fully, and as well as it will prevent your smile. So I'm going to show you. So for me, my smile, my normal smile is this. Now, if I engage my Buccinator, I'll show you what a smile looks like. You could see how big of an effect it has on your smile, and also if I try to just open my mouth, it keeps everything closed down. So this is why it's a very important muscle to massage and stretch. And that muscle, once again, is located right about here. The best way to do this, go right inside your mouth. It's located here. It can be really tender at first, so you could apply pressure for a good minute. Between those two fingers. And then you can knead it just like that. Just to prep it for a good stretch, which for the stretch you can use 1 or 2 fingers depending on the size of your mouth, depending on the size of your finger. Just like that. So you're gonna feel a lot of stretch there. It can be, go slow with this, it can be a little uncomfortable at first, but you're gonna feel a really good improvement in how things are moving in your cheek, where not everything's gonna be kind of so bound up like this. This muscle also, it's very important when you have synkinesis. A lot of people between eye and mouth synkinesis, a lot of people will have, whenever they blink or try to close their eyes, they're going to feel some tension in their cheek, and that would be a great thing to do, as well as practicing closing your eyes while you stretch the Buccinator. So this muscle is often very, very overactive with eye closing. So I hope that was helpful. Again, a lot more on the 𝗵𝗹𝗀 Palsy tutorial, and just tell me how that works for you. Comments, email, private messages. I will talk to you later. Have a great day.